Sige.
I am RG Arwela. I am currently a second-year college student because of GMP of Geneva, Switzerland. Now, I am an incoming third-year engineering student of Western Mindanao State University in Zamboanga City. I live in a far-flung barangay of Zamboanga in a conflict area of Mindanao. I lost all hope of ever studying until I learned of GMP.
Generation.
My father is a fisherman who supports me and five other siblings. He also works in our neighbor's farm near our house, 50 kilometers away from the city proper. My mother is a housekeeper who also raises chickens, pigs, and other domesticated animals to augment our income. How could I ever thank you, GMP? Without your help, I won't be able to enroll in college and continue with my course. Now, I am a proud GMP scholar. Mabuhay kayo and may your tribe increase. From the city of Zamboanga, Philippines, muchas gracias.